on the ground with Batangas Vice Governor Mark Leviste, who joins us now over the phone. Good afternoon, Vice Gov. First off, which particular areas in the province of Batangas are being affected the most by TS Jolina or STS Jolina?
Yes, good afternoon, Sean, and your viewers. Eastern part of Batangas, the East Coast, has been heavily affected by Typhoon Jolina. As we speak, I'm here in Lipa City, and several places, barangays, and areas of Lipa City is we experience a lot of debris, road debris, and flooding. Around 10 o'clock in the morning up until 12 noon, we experience strong winds and heavy rains. Something that I have not observed or witnessed for quite some time. Many roads are impassable, and we're still receiving updates and accounting the damages in other areas. If I'm not mistaken, Jolina entered through San Juan and Lobo, Batangas, our easternmost part of the province, and up to central Batangas, Lipa, Tanawan, Santo Tomas, even Batangas City were severely affected by Typhoon Jolina. However, with regards to the west coast, Calatagan, Nasugbu, Lian, Batangas, they only experience moderate rains.
All right, so different experiences in different parts of Batangas, and like you said, this is the worst typhoon or bagyo that you've seen in a while. Kamusta ang evacuation efforts down there in Batangas, Vice Governor? What, of course, with COVID still raging, do you have any numbers for us? How many people need to leave their homes?
Well, we're still gathering all those data. We're accounting and receiving updates from different local government units as we speak, because halos katitila lamang ng bagyo. As I've said earlier, up to around 12 noon, it was very unsafe for anyone to be outdoors because of the falling debris, the trees getting uprooted, roofing staying all over, and I heard for example, in Laurel, Batangas, that's the northern part of the province, we have one casualty due to.
All right, how are evacuation centers? Vice Gov, I'm not sure if you can still hear me, but in case you can hear me, how is social distancing being enforced inside evacuation centers, given that you must lower the capacity for these because of social distancing? Yes. Are there enough evacuation centers to bring Batangueños that need to be evacuated?
Yes, by now, our local disaster risk reduction management offices in different LGUs or local government units well aware of the new normal protocols when it comes to evacuation efforts, including typhoon and volcanic eruptions. So, amidst the pandemic, we follow the protocols and guidelines so that we can also manage this COVID-19 or fight against COVID-19 in evacuation centers. However, if we have yet to fully account the number of centers and the number of families and individuals who have evacuated areas or places to seek higher and safer ground.
All right. I remember after the last volcanic activity that needed evacuation in Taal, that the local government took advantage of the opportunity to ramp up vaccination. Are you doing the same now with people, like with all the evacuees, of course, gathered sort of in one place? Are you ramping up vaccination efforts in Batangas?
I did not get that quite clear, but I understood your question on the vaccination efforts. Today, we actually postponed our inoculation program because of the heavy rains and the danger of letting or allowing people to leave their residences. Pero
All right.
other than this typhoon, tuloy-tuloy naman po yung ating
Go on, Governor.
inoculation
Vice Gov,
program.
go on. All right, Governor.
Hello?
Vice Governor, do you have any other urgent needs from the national government, or is Batangas all taken care of?
Yes, we will definitely coordinate with the national government once we are able to finalize all the damages or effect of Typhoon Julina in the coming hours, if not days.
All right, just in case some of your constituents in Batangas are tuned in, any other reminders from the provincial capital?
Yes, I would like to take this opportunity, first of all, to thank you, your station, for giving us the opportunity to update our kababayans. Our reminder is to continuously observe the minimum health and safety protocols amidst the pandemic, hugas, iwas, mask, and vaccination. Those are our primary advocacies. Despite this typhoon that passed through our province, kung hindi naman po mahalaga ang inyong mga lakad, maiging manatili na lamang sa inyong tahanan upang panatiliing ligtas ang inyong sarili at ang inyong pamilya.
Right, thank you so much for sharing your time with us. Please do stay safe. Vice Governor of Batangas, Mark Leviste, over the phone. Thank you so much, Vice Gov.
Thank you very much.